guys, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we have shown you how to turn on and off LED using Raspberry Pi 3. Today we are going to do it again, but this time we are using T-Cobbler. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new videos. T-Cobbler is used to lead out pins of Raspberry Pi to breadboard to avoid GPIO damage caused by frequent plugging in or out. Connected with Raspberry Pi shown in the picture, the principal is lead out the Raspberry Pi GPIO by GPIO cable to the T-Cobbler and T-Cobbler inserted into the breadboard. When your jumper wire is inserted into the breadboard, it is equivalent inserted into the Raspberry Pi GPIO. This is the materials that we need for this activity: Raspberry Pi 3, breadboard, LED, resistor, jumper wire, and the T-Cobbler. We are now going to insert the GPIO cable into the Raspberry Pi GPIO. Make sure you inserted it properly to avoid it from getting damaged. Next is we are going to insert the T-Cobbler into the breadboard. We are now going to connect the LED into the breadboard. We are now going to connect the jumper wire into the GPIO 18. Next is we're going to connect the resistor from the jumper wire to the positive terminal of the LED. And last but not the least, we are going to use black jumper wire to connect from ground into the negative terminal of the LED. This is the code of the blinking LED. Since we are done, let's use two LEDs. This is the code of the two blinking LEDs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned something in this video. Please watch the previous video to learn more on how to turn on and off the LED using Raspberry Pi 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!